What is going on, Discoverers? My name is Rye, and this is Discovering Orlando. Today we are out here at Florida Silver Springs State Park. So today we are here for a glass boat tour, you said? Glass boat tour, where we're gonna be seeing some monkeys, hopefully. Supposedly it's been voted America's best state park. I don't know. I don't really know much about the boat tour, haven't looked it up. I think this was one of my sister's discoveries. So, way to go, Chelsea. It is a $2 fee, I think they said, to come in here. They got ice cream there.
It's too cold.
Glass Bottoms boat tour. So this is what we're doing. Mom, what are you doing here?
Watch me, just follow every move. Let me know you want it too. Don't have what you need, but I got what you want, babe. No, we don't have to leave. The night is still young. All we need is now. Don't ever let me go. We got the whole night. Just let me feel you close. Come surround me. Don't ever let me go. Come surround me. Just let me feel you close. Slowly, but don't wait for too long. Just hold me. We're right where we belong. Don't have what you need, but I got what you want.
What you guys think?
It was good.
Well, if you move down here, then you can see
Yeah,
the monkeys
you
all
can
the
do that.
time. Well, I'll take you here every day until you see the monkeys. Don't you think she should move down here?
Yes, absolutely.
Don't you think she should move down here?
Yes.
I want you to see it just for tonight. I want to.
Yeah, it wasn't a bad experience at all. I liked it. Pretty cool to see out underneath the boat.
So keep on,
Look at the monkey, look! I know, never mind, that's my sister.
keep me hanging on.
I caught it, it's okay.
Feel your body. I want you to know all we need is now. Don't ever let me go. We got the whole night. Just let me.
Guys, this is crazy. My sister just told me about this huge frog up here. Oh my god, I can't wait to show this to you guys. Look at this thing. Oh wait, it's not real. Damn it, Chelsea. Ah, it's a dragonfly, even cooler. Who would have thought you would have found a comic book at the Springs? My new favorite comic book. So, I think there's more we could do if we really wanted to, but you know, my grandma's getting a little tired, so I think it's time we head back to the car in a few minutes. Guys, no one's liking my videos, so I'm just gonna go in the water. No, Nana, don't jump, don't jump. Thought she was acting like Rose from the Titanic there for a minute. Taxi? Taxi? No, can I get a ride? Ah, I thought you guys were a taxi. Definitely would give this place a 7 out of 10. Like I said, I would not drive here for the 30-minute tour if you're coming from Orlando, or if you're just here on vacation, even the 90-minute tour. But if you're a local like me, then definitely check out the 90-minute tour if you're coming here from Orlando. All right, Discoverers, that concludes our discovery of Silver Springs State Park. So until next time, make sure to click that like button. Make sure to click subscribe or follow, depending on which platform you're watching this on. And most importantly, make sure to go discover something in your neighborhood.